If you are unsure how to remove a graphics card from a computer when you can't get to the catch that's locked the graphics card in place, then this may help. Already took the side off, as you can see. So now we're ready to pop the graphics card out. Just get one of mine digital tools. It's a cheap piece of plastic, really. Find it. Now, come here. So what we need to do is locate the actual locking peg, and I'll see if we can get a better view for you. So, at the moment you're not going to see it because it's down there behind the memory. See if we can point it out on here. So it is actually down there. But yeah, my hand's in the way now, and that's in the way. Okay. Pop them out first. Hopefully you'll get a better view. Actually, thinking about it, what we'll do, I'll shut that off a minute. That may give you a better view. Right, so hopefully you can see that peg that I'm referring to now. And she's just down. Come back out. I don't want to go out of focus. Right, so that's that. And then yeah, all I would do, so we can pull him out. So I've already removed the screw. I don't know if this is going to get in there okay, but yeah. So you can pull it back out anyway, and then by holding the front, a piece of plastic or something similar, don't want to damage anything, of course. And we release the catch like so. Okay, and now, wait, you should be able to pop the card out like so. Job's a good one, as I say. Hope that helps, and until the next one.